Chervil, once called the herb of joy, was treasured by Romans and even Charlemagne for its power to renew and revitalize. This delicate herb, now mostly forgotten, was a symbol of spring and new beginnings, used in rituals to wake up the body after winter. Its subtle, fresh flavor was prized not just for taste, but for its gentle support of health. Chervil's strength lies in its subtlety. It works quietly, making it perfect for those sensitive to stronger herbs. While other herbs shout, Chervil whispers, offering benefits that are both mild and effective. In today's fast-paced world, we often overlook such quiet power. But as we return to holistic living, Chervil deserves a place in our kitchens and gardens again. It's more than a garnish. It's a bridge to ancient wisdom and a tool for modern well-being. Rediscovering Chervil means unlocking centuries of natural health. Chervil, or Anthriscus cerefolium, is a delicate, lacy, bright green herb that belongs to the Apiaceae family, the same botanical group as parsley and carrots. Its feathery leaves and subtle aroma set it apart from other common kitchen herbs, making it a true gem for both gardeners and cooks alike. Chervil's refined flavor is often described as a gentle blend of parsley and mild anise, with a hint of sweetness and a whisper of licorice. This unique taste profile makes it a staple in classic French cuisine, where it's cherished by chefs for its ability to elevate dishes without overpowering them. Native to the Caucasus region, Chervil was spread throughout Europe by the Romans, who valued it not only for its culinary uses but also for its medicinal properties. Over centuries, it became a beloved herb in European kitchens and gardens, prized for its gentle effects and versatility. Unlike its hardier cousin parsley, Chervil is exceptionally delicate. Its flavor and nutrients are best preserved when the leaves are used fresh and added at the very end of cooking. Heat can quickly diminish its subtle notes, so it's often sprinkled over finished dishes or stirred in just before serving. Chervil's gentle essence works subtly in the body, making it an ideal choice for those with sensitive systems or anyone seeking a mild, soothing herb. It's often used in herbal teas and light salads, where its flavor and benefits can truly shine. There are two main types of Chervil: plain leaf, which has a stronger, more pronounced flavor and is favored for cooking, and curly leaf, which is often chosen for its decorative appeal as a garnish, adding a touch of elegance to any plate. The entire above-ground part of the Chervil plant is edible. This includes the tender leaves, the slender stems, and even the delicate white flowers, which can be used to add a subtle flavor and visual interest to salads and other dishes. Chervil thrives in cool, shady spots, preferring the gentle light of early spring or fall. It's often one of the very first herbs to appear in the garden after winter, signaling the start of a new growing season. Its versatility and ease of growth make it a valuable addition to any garden, whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out. Chervil can even thrive in pots on a sunny windowsill, bringing fresh flavor and greenery indoors. Don't underestimate this humble herb. Chervil is a powerhouse in disguise, offering a unique blend of flavor, nutrition, and beauty to every kitchen and garden it graces. Chervil is celebrated as a natural diuretic, gently helping your body release excess salt and water. This action supports healthy fluid balance, reducing bloating and easing pressure on your heart and blood vessels. By flushing out excess water and sodium, Chervil can help maintain healthy blood pressure. Its diuretic effect also aids your kidneys in removing metabolic waste and toxins. Unlike harsh synthetic diuretics, Chervil works gently, preserving important minerals like potassium. This makes it safe for regular use. Simply add fresh Chervil to meals or steep it as a tea. Supporting your body's natural detox pathways can be as simple as a sprinkle of Chervil. It's a food-based strategy for long-term wellness. Nature's solutions often work best when they're gentle and consistent. Chervil is a perfect example of this quiet, effective support. Chervil isn't just a diuretic. It's a powerful detoxifier, supporting your liver and kidneys in clearing toxins from your system. This delicate herb, often overlooked in modern kitchens, has a long history of use for its gentle yet effective cleansing properties. When you add Chervil to your diet, You're giving your body a natural boost in its daily fight against environmental pollutants and metabolic waste. Its diuretic action helps flush water-soluble toxins, while traditional herbalism hails it as a blood purifier. By encouraging your body to release excess fluids, Chervil helps reduce bloating and supports the natural elimination of waste. Chervil's antioxidants, like vitamin C and flavonoids, protect your cells from free radical damage and oxidative stress. These compounds are essential for maintaining healthy tissues and supporting your immune system, especially in today's world where we're exposed to so many toxins. This reduces your body's toxic load and supports long-term cellular health. Over time, regular consumption of antioxidant-rich herbs like Chervil can help your body recover from the effects of stress, pollution, and unhealthy habits. Adding Chervil to smoothies, teas, or spring soups is an easy way to boost your body's natural cleansing. Its mild, slightly anise-like flavor pairs well with a variety of dishes, making it simple to incorporate into your daily meals. In European folk medicine, Chervil was a key ingredient in springtime detox rituals. Healers believed that after a long winter, Chervil could help awaken the body and prepare it for the new season by gently clearing out accumulated toxins. Reviving these traditions can help us gently reset after periods of heavy eating or environmental exposure. Even today, many herbalists recommend a seasonal cleanse with Chervil to restore balance and vitality. Regular use of Chervil supports your body's ability to cleanse itself from within. Whether you sprinkle it on salads, blend it into dressings, or steep it as a tea, you're nurturing your body's natural detox pathways. It's a simple, delicious way to enhance your health and well-being, making detoxification a gentle, enjoyable part of your everyday life. Let Chervil be your ally in daily detoxification, supporting your body's resilience and helping you feel lighter and more energized. Sometimes the gentlest herbs offer the most profound support, reminding us that nature's simplest gifts can have the greatest impact on our health. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health issues, but Chervil offers a natural way to calm it. Its compounds help modulate inflammatory pathways, turning down the body's overactive response. Traditionally, Chervil poultices soothed swollen joints and irritated skin, while consuming it calmed inflammation from within. It's especially helpful for digestive discomfort, making it a gentle choice for sensitive stomachs. A cup of Chervil tea after meals can ease gas and promote comfortable digestion. Reducing inflammation supports your heart, brain, and immune system. By adding Chervil to your diet, you create a balanced, resilient internal environment. Small changes, like using Chervil, can have a big impact on daily well-being. Let this herb be part of your anti-inflammatory toolkit. The key to Chervil is using it fresh and adding it at the last minute. Heat destroys its delicate flavor. Sprinkle chopped Chervil over eggs, salads, or tender greens for a burst of freshness. Whisk it into vinaigrettes with olive oil and lemon for a light, elegant dressing. Stir it into soups or sauces just before serving to preserve its subtle taste. Try it in classic French dishes like potato leek soup or sauce gribiche for a gourmet touch. Make Chervil butter by mixing it with softened butter, sea salt, and lemon, perfect for vegetables or grilled meats. Chervil's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into everyday meals. Think of it as your go-to finishing herb for both flavor and health. Once you start, you'll find endless ways to use it. Let Chervil elevate your cooking and your well-being. Chervil's healing uses go beyond the kitchen. Herbalists have long used it for topical remedies. Crushed fresh leaves made soothing poultices for skin irritations, insect bites, and swelling. Chervil infusions were used as gentle eye washes to refresh tired eyes, thanks to its calming properties. A simple Chervil tea was a traditional remedy for hiccups, indigestion, and gas, relaxing the digestive tract. After heavy winter eating, Chervil was consumed as a spring tonic to cleanse and re-energize the body. Its diuretic and detoxifying effects made it a natural choice for seasonal renewal. These practices remind us that Chervil is more than a garnish. It's a holistic ally. Reviving these traditions can add gentle, natural support to modern routines. Explore Chervil's uses beyond food for a fuller picture of its benefits. Sometimes the simplest remedies are the most effective. While Chervil is powerful, it's important to use herbs wisely and safely. This information is for education, not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes, especially if you have health conditions or take medications. Pregnant or breastfeeding. Use caution and stick to culinary amounts. Chervil can interact with medications, especially diuretics or blood pressure drugs. Buy Chervil from trusted sources or grow it yourself. Wild lookalikes can be toxic. More isn't always better. Gentle, regular use is most effective. Incorporate Chervil into your meals as part of a balanced lifestyle. Listen to your body and start slowly. Safety and consistency are key to unlocking Chervil's benefits. Rediscovering Chervil is about more than flavor. It's an invitation to reconnect with the natural world and rediscover the healing power that plants have offered for centuries. In a world where we often look for quick fixes, Chervil reminds us to slow down and appreciate the gentle, nurturing gifts of nature. It's about reconnecting with nature's wisdom, learning to trust the subtle yet profound effects of herbs that have supported human health for generations. This humble herb balances fluids, supports detox, and calms inflammation, making it a gentle ally for your body's natural rhythms. Its delicate flavor is matched by its ability to soothe and restore. Simple solutions can be profound, especially when they come from the earth. Chervil is proof that you don't need complicated remedies to support your well-being. Your kitchen can be your health laboratory, an inspiring place where you experiment with flavors and discover the benefits of fresh herbs. Start with Chervil and notice how it makes you feel, both physically and emotionally. Let your senses guide you as you explore new ways to use it in your meals. Pay attention to subtle shifts in your well-being as you use it. Maybe you'll notice more energy, a calmer mind, or simply a deeper appreciation for the food you prepare. Let Chervil be your entry point into the world of healing herbs, opening the door to a lifestyle that values natural wellness and mindful living. Explore other natural allies like turmeric, ginger, and chamomile, each with their own unique properties to support your health journey. Try making herbal teas or infusions, blending these herbs to create soothing, nourishing drinks for body and mind, a holistic approach to wellness. By intentionally adding these plants to your life, you're not just seasoning your food, you're nurturing your body and spirit. You build a foundation of vibrant health. Start small, grow a few herbs, experiment with recipes, and share your discoveries with loved ones. Maybe a pot of Chervil on your windowsill is all you need to begin. Watch it grow, and let it inspire you to explore more. Let it remind you of the quiet power of nature and the wisdom of ancient traditions, passed down through generations. Every meal becomes a celebration of health and history. Embrace the journey. Invite nature's pharmacy into your daily life and savor the benefits. Nature's pharmacy is waiting in your kitchen, ready to help you thrive. One leaf, one meal, and one mindful moment at a time.